Abnormal EN signal on battery expansion module. The Fusion Solar app and Smart PVMS report alarm 3066. If the alarm abnormal EN signal on battery expansion module is generated, possibly the EN wire of a battery expansion module is connected to an incorrect port, or the battery expansion module is abnormal. Use the following solution for troubleshooting. 1. Perform the power-off operations in the sequence as shown in the figure. 2. Check whether the EN wire connection between the inverter and the battery is correct. If the EN wire is incorrectly connected, reconnect it. 3. Check whether the signal cable is securely connected. Remove the signal cable and check whether the stripped length of the insulation layer is correct. Reconnect the signal cable and try to pull the cable back to ensure that the cable is securely connected. 4. Use a multimeter to check whether the EN and GND wires are properly connected. Reconnect the cable between the inverter and the battery. 5. After ensuring that the cable connection is correct, power on the system in the specified sequence and check whether the alarm is cleared. If the alarm persists, contact Huawei technical support.